This is a Pinebook Pro notebook I ordered March 30th and it came today, May 3rd. It came shipped with Manjaro. I'm not sure if it's KDE or what, but I need to do some setup things now. And the first choice is the layout. So I have the ANSI layout. So I'll select it. US ANSI layout. Now input the username. Next, you're supposed to enter additional groups, and so it next asks to enter any additional groups that I wanted to be in, and so I just took the defaults. It had several defaults there, and then enter username, full username, and root password, user password, and now it's asking for the time zone. And next is the locale. I will use enus.utf-8. And next in the setup is the host name. There it is. I've got all the updates on it. It comes loaded with Manjaro KDE. So that's happens to be my favorite distro right now. Here is some details about the OS that's installed.
No turning back, no turning back. The cross before me, the world behind me. The cross before me, the world behind me. The cross before me, the world behind me. No turning back, no turning back. decide now to follow Jesus? Will you decide now to follow Jesus? Will you decide now to follow Jesus? No turning back, no turning back. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided